The popularity of German Shepherds, what makes them so beloved? German Shepherds have long been one of the most popular dog breeds around the world. Renowned for their intelligence, loyalty, and trainability, these dogs have captured the hearts of dog owners and enthusiasts alike. But what is it that makes German Shepherds so beloved? One of the main reasons behind the popularity of German Shepherds is their versatility. These dogs are known for their ability to excel in various roles and tasks, making them suitable for a wide range of jobs. From being loyal family pets to working as search and rescue dogs, police dogs, or even service dogs, German Shepherds are highly adaptable and can be trained to perform exceptionally well in any given role. Another factor that contributes to the popularity of German Shepherds is their intelligence. They are exceptionally smart and quick to learn, which makes them an ideal choice for tasks that require problem-solving and decision-making capabilities. This intelligence also means that German Shepherds are easily trained, making them highly responsive to commands and able to grasp new skills in a relatively short period. Beyond their intelligence, German Shepherds are also known for their loyalty and protective nature. These dogs form strong bonds with their owners and will go to great lengths to protect and defend their loved ones. This loyalty and protective instinct make German Shepherds excellent guard dogs and valuable companions for individuals and families alike, as they provide a sense of security and peace of mind. German Shepherds are also renowned for their physical capabilities. They possess an impressive combination of strength, agility, and endurance, which makes them well suited for various physical activities such as agility training, obedience trials, and even sports like flyball or dock diving. These dogs thrive on exercise and mental stimulation, and their athletic abilities make them suitable for individuals who lead an active lifestyle. Furthermore, German Shepherds have a striking and noble appearance. With their strong, well-muscled bodies and distinct black and tan coats, they exude an air of confidence and elegance. Their appearance not only makes them visually appealing but also adds to their overall charisma and appeal, making them hard to resist for dog enthusiasts. In addition to their physical and intellectual attributes, German Shepherds are also known for their overall good health and longevity. While no breed is entirely free from health issues, German Shepherds have a relatively low risk of certain hereditary diseases, especially if bred responsibly. Their robust health and long lifespan contribute to their desirability as pets and working dogs, as owners can expect many years of companionship and devotion from their German Shepherds. The popularity of German Shepherds is also influenced by their strong presence in popular culture. These dogs have featured prominently in movies, TV shows, and books, which has helped to enhance their reputation and increase their fan base. Many famous dog characters, such as Rin Tin Tin and Strongheart, were German Shepherds, and their courage, loyalty, and intelligence have been portrayed on screen, leaving a lasting impression on audiences worldwide. In conclusion, German Shepherds have gained immense popularity due to their versatility, intelligence, loyalty, and physical capabilities. Their ability to excel in various roles, combined with their natural protective instincts, makes them ideal companions and working dogs. Add to that their striking appearance, good health, and long lifespan, and it's no wonder that German Shepherds have captured the hearts of so many people around the world. Whether as a dedicated family pet or a reliable working partner, these dogs have proven time and time again why they are so beloved and revered. NT to B.